And now it's time for Goofy Holidays, or holidays you didn't know existed that are celebrated on February 6th. First up is National Frozen Yogurt Day. It's celebrated on February 6th every year. Frozen yogurt sales are increasing every year as people want a healthier alternative to ice cream. The explosion of flavors and topping choices add to the popularity of frozen yogurt. I don't know how good it does for your health, though, when you're throwing Snickers and Oreo cookies all over the yogurt, but it was really first developed in 1970 in the United States as a soft-serve treat produced by H.P. Hood called Frogurt. It wasn't really called yogurt. It was Frogurt. That's how it started off. And then Humphreys and Dannon soon followed with their own versions of the treat. It grew in popularity a lot due to the health food status. But like I said before, sticking a bunch of M&Ms and Snickers bars and Oreo cookies on top of your yogurt doesn't do well for your low-fat option that yogurt is supposed to be. It's actually making a comeback again right now as customers have begun to prefer the taste and of yogurt over ice cream. But yes, frozen yogurt on February 6th. Got to have me some yogurt tomorrow, that's for sure. Next, you might be thinking, according to that photograph, that it's Asian Food Day. But no, that's not the case. Put away your forks and spoons because today, or February 6th, is National Chopsticks Day. Now, they may or may not be new to you, but for a quarter of the world's population, chopsticks are actually the eating utensils of choice. To a lot of people, forks are an odd utensil. Chopsticks can be made of wood, bamboo, plastic, fine china, or even metal. But to participate in National Chopsticks Day, you're supposed to use chopsticks for all your meals. Now, chances are a lot of you will eat Chinese or maybe Asian food or something with chopsticks, but you can really eat any foods with chopsticks. You can have some fun with it today, too. Make a game out of it with your kids, picking up peanuts or jelly beans or something. Now, personally, I cannot pick up anything with a chopstick. I'm a drummer, and I cannot do this chopstick thing to save my life. Maybe because I haven't been properly taught. I don't know. But me and chopsticks don't get along. But today, February 6th, is National Chopsticks Day. Next and last, we have Lame Duck Day. Today is probably not everything it's quacked up to be as far as holidays are concerned. But Lame Duck Day is set aside to give recognition to people whose tenure in a position is running out. Now, for those of you who are actually thinking that lame duck is a duck with some kind of injury, may not be as old as I am, but yes, there's a term, Lame Duck Day, for those people that are just basically screwing up. They're going to be shown the door any minute. It really applies to everyone. You can be in a relationship, a leader, a manager, an employee who's just basically their time is just about to be up. Now, I'm thinking as I look at these funny ducks, I wish it was about funny ducks, but when we're talking about whose terms are about to be up and things like that, I can't help but think in my brain that someone actually sat down and said, hey, let's do a holiday. Lame Duck Day. Why not? Wow. Those are your 3 holidays for February 6th. Thanks for watching our Goofy Holiday segment, or holidays you didn't know existed on a particular date. We have songs that were released or made their debut on a particular date, and other cool things in music and entertainment right here from the Steve Champagne Radio Show. Be part of it, and our internet musical global family of friends would love to have you join the I Love Music Army. Until next time, take care. Thank you.